Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send custom notification in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to our flow builder so I can show you how to send the custom notification from the flow. So basically, we need just to go to the setup, and after that, we need just to search for flow or the flow builder. And basically, we will need just to go in the quick find, search for flows, and after that we will find flows. And from here, we will need just to click on new flow. And after that, we need just to choose the flow type, and I'm just going to click on add starts from scratch. And from here, I'm just going to add a screen flow, or you can also add a record triggered flow or any type. So basically, after configuring your start points, we will need from here to send a notification. So let's just search for notification. And as you can see, here we will find the send custom notification. We click on the send custom notification. You give it a label and you give it also an API name. And from here, you have the description. Basically, those are the input values. If you want to add any input value for your notification type, and basically you can search for anything that you would like. It can be an action or it can be anything. You can also add text for your body. You can add any user, for example, and you can start choosing any type of fields that you want to add for your custom notification, and you will add them here for as fields. So as you can see, you can have a blank value. You can also have some running user, or you can add also new source. You can have only just a constant or a text template if you would like to have it in the body, etc. So at the end, you will need just to click save, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.